So this is how you can change the contact picture on your iPhone. Let's get started. So locate your contacts application on the phone like that. Get inside and tap on any contact you want to customize. Then tap on edit in the top right corner and you can see that by default you have only a letter of their name representing that person. So you can tap on that name or click on add photo. And right now you can see that we can customize it. The way that it works is that we now have what's called contact posters, so you have to customize the whole thing basically. But essentially you need to set a picture for the page that is going to show when they call you. So at first we need to do that. Let's say that I'm going to choose something from the gallery right now, whatever it might be. I then click on continue and continue again. And then I choose the specific contact photo. So for that, I can pick something else. For example, it's going to be an emoji or again, a different photo from the gallery, which I have. So that's what you need to do, right? You just then continue and you both have the contact poster as well as their profile picture. So the circular photo is the one which is going to show in the messages and, it's going to be like the representation of that person. But then the contact poster is what's going to appear when they are calling you and it's going to take up the whole screen. So I hope it makes sense. It's pretty simple that way, but Apple has recently changed it. They perform a lot of changes like that. So if you want to stay up to date, just subscribe to this channel and you'll always know about the latest stuff about your devices, right? So thanks a lot for watching. Stay tuned for more and I'll catch you later.